everyone, Penny here, and today I am showing you a lot of designs that I've been working on. I'm super excited. This is part of the Print, Cut, and Create series of single page projects, or several page projects, but small projects that you just print, you cut, and you create. And it's a series that I've been working on for several years, since 2016, 17, something like that. So I've been working with different templates. This goes along with the 80 Days Junk Journal Stuffies Challenge. So if you're interested in checking that out, check out the links below this video, and it will give you all the links that you need to know about the 80 Days Junk Journal Stuffies Challenge. And I wanted to show you these. This is the altered index cards. This is the 3.5. It's these. So these are the altered ones. Now this size is going to be different because I had to go in and change the sizes. So that's why there's like several different proofs here. These are all proofs, but I'm definitely going to be using them because I don't want to waste the proof pages. I just wanted to show you, these are meant for the 3.5 by 5 index cards and the 4x6s. These are hopefully corrected by now. I'll have these in the shop a little bit later on. It still looks like they are super big, so I may have to go back in. Sometimes during Photoshop, you have to go back in and redo your sizes. But it also comes with a background page. I don't know if you could see this or not. Isn't this gorgeous? I love this. It's public domain image from a book that I transposed. Here is another one. This one even has some person's name here, or book or something. These all came from public domain books that I've redone and of course digitally enhanced. And I printed a few of those off so that I could work with those, just to give me an idea. Those are what it looks like. This is the one pattern. This is your background. This is your background. Isn't that cool? And then, okay, and then there's the other pattern. So it comes in a 3.5 by 5, and then it comes in a 4x6 as soon as. Check this out. They're all public domain images, vintage wallpaper that I've digitally enhanced, cut out, and they have the black lines for you to run through your scan and cut, and just cut them out. I will still be down below. Okay, so now I have these wonderful, fake stamps. These are all public domain images that I've turned into stamps. They are a little bit bigger. I'll go back in and add different sizes as soon as I can. But I thought it was super pretty. You can use these in your junk journals and things like that. But stay tuned. They will be available soon. This is just what's coming out for the month of May. Well, actually June. They're coming out. Some of them will be coming out in June, but most of them will be out. I create 5 print and cut and create kits a month. So this is the new month ones that are available. This is also from the 80 Days Junk Journals. This is also from the 80 Days Junk Journal. This is coming up from the 80 Days Junk Journal Challenge, Stuffies Challenge. This is messy paper circles for creating the clusters that we did in day 2. So day 1 was the stamped ephemera, and you'll see some in here. And then day 2 was creating clusters with the stamped ephemera. So here is the messy circles. I hope you guys are enjoying these. If you've been seeing my messy flowers, these are similar. They're different. These are not the same design. So they look similar, but they are not the same design as the messy flowers. Okay, just throw that out there. Aren't these images just gorgeous from the public domain? They are just so pretty. I love this. I've been seeing this pop up in a lot of digitals lately. I just love this. And I've seen someone as well have these as well. Oh, they're so pretty in a kit. So I have several kits with those coming up. Okay, so and that's why you see a lot of designers, you say, well, I've seen this before, or hey, I've seen that produced this week. Well, it's because they're public domain, guys, and just because a designer uses an image from public domain, another designer might use the same image. So yeah, just think about that. Here's some more. I love this. It came from a watercoloring page book. It was a book. I just absolutely love those. And then, oh, look at these stamp ideas, right? Aren't these gorgeous? So these I kind of altered to look like stamps, you know, when you're stamping, to go with our stamped ephemera. So you could cut these out and use these. Look at the little birdie, the chickens. I just love these. They are vintage. They are made to look like this. You're thinking, well, that doesn't look very clean. It's not supposed to. It's supposed to look like a stamped image, okay? And look at all this little how to draw things. I think they were super cute, aren't they? They make cute little stamps. Here's some more. Vintage, I can't remember. It looks like 1913 is the date, the copyright date, 1913. This one is 1873. So, yeah, fun, right? Totally fun. I love this one. You think I could do a stamp like that? Carve a stamp out? Yeah, we could. We could use these to carve a stamp. These would be gorgeous on a stamp. But that's what they're intended. Here's the other pages of it. Of the, just a stamped ephemera clusters to make the little, like we did on day 2. That's what these are for. And here, I love this one. This one says 1936, but it comes from a book in the public domain, so we're totally cool there. Oh, I love these. Look at these. Public domain portraits, or they call them cabinet cards, is what they call them. Look at these. I just love these. Look at the 2 little kids on the couch reading. Just love these. 2 little girls playing Dolly. 2 little girls good. There's a guy reading. So I just love these. These are super cool. So yeah, this is an idea. It looks like she's having some trouble rowing there, or she's talking to her husband behind there. I don't know. They are distressed. They're aged. Yes, there's several layers here to make them look like that. But anyway, so those are super cute. I thought we could use those as a cluster or something, or just use them as a really cool paper, alternate paper clip, or just a cluster, just something, you know. But yeah, these are the big ones. Okay, so there's that set. Then I have, again, this comes from the 80 days. Actually, this is coming up. I think we did this on day 4 of the 80 days. Actually, little baggies. This is the bag template. I didn't put the hole up here, but if you wanted to do a hole, you could, you know, punch a hole here. It has the template pieces. It has the journaling cards, the tags to go with it. Yes, yes, yes. And let's see, it's a new tag shape that I've got coming out. I love that. Here is another set. This is the spring set. And this was the vintage floral set. This is the spring set. I just love this. There we go. And then I have the background papers, because, you know, with this template, you're going to have something on the, you know, if you want to spray something on the back, or if you want to print. What I do is I just print this, and then I just print this full sheet, turn it over in the printer, just print it on the full sheet. So if you just wanted one single sheet, if you use cardstock, you could print this on the front, print this on the back. That's why I always include a background page. Okay, so here's another one. Love this, love this. This is from one of the days. I don't remember which. This is the little flip notelet that we did. You know how I took the time card and folded this down? This gives you a little spine. You just fold this down. And then you put your ripped papers on top. I didn't put any stitching holes. I figured you guys could do that. Here's the other side. This actually is one kit. This is, I actually have, I need to put front and back, whatever. You could use whatever. I'm just going to print these out. To put your papers in. They're stacked papers. So I love these. This is the floral one. Spring floral again. I'm using spring floral, I think, for everything. Here is the next one. I keep rolling them out, don't I? I've been super busy. This is the Journal Corner. Okay. Journal Corner Pocket Flip-Ups. You see this? Okay, so here's the lines. You can, this is the front. This is the journal card front and the journal card back. And you just print those and stick those together. You can put cardstock in between it or whatever. I just thought that you know, I just print on copy paper, you know, real thin paper. So I'm just going to glue mine together. And again, the same here. This is the back, this is the front of a tab. So stay tuned for the tutorials on how to put all these templates together. So check out the links below. Have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.